Okay, sketch below. A is minus 6, 1. And B is 3, 4. Write down, you just shouldn't need to do too much working out, the midpoints of AB. And AB is like that. Well, I'll tell you what, that's a rubbish diagram they've drawn. Because minus 6 there, 3 there. I'll tell you what, I'm going to do that again. And so if I were to do it, 3 across, 4 up will be something like that. 3, 4. And minus 6, well that's 3, so minus 6 will be minus 3. Minus 6, 1, probably be about there. So A's here at minus 6, 1, and this is B there. And that might help. And I will work out the midpoints. So make it a little midpoint will be there. And you can see from that it's there. If you actually made a gridded paper, you'd find it even easier, but it's the average of the x values. It's how far across it's gone. So minus 6 and 3 is minus 3. That bit will be minus 1.5. And it's 1 here. That's 4 up there. So that'll be 2.5 up. Okay. Write down the vector from A to B. Well, how far across it goes? It goes 6 across to get to here, and then 3 more to get to there. So it goes across by 9 to the right. That's good. And how far up does it go? It goes up from 1 to 4, so it goes up by 3. So it's 9, 3. Work out the length AB. So it's going to be Pythagoras. So nice and simple. Give your answer as a surd. Okay, so I need to still find it anyhow. Non-calculated paper. It is a square root of, well, I'll put this one on here, that would be 9 squared, that would be 3 squared, so it would be square root of, no, I do 9 squared plus 3 squared, which is a square root of 81 plus 9, which equals a square root of 90. It's non-calculated paper, and to get it as a surd, can I simplify this at all? Well, can I think of any square number which goes into that? And I can. And the answer is 9 goes into it. And if I put the square number down first, I get 9 times 10. And that will be the square root of 9 times the square root of 10, which is 3 root 10. And that was the answer they wanted for the full 4 marks. If you just put down root 90, you probably would have got 3 marks. So it's worth doing anyhow. But I think to find the midpoint back here, it looks like on their diagram, it looks like the midpoint is on 0. If you draw it so it's a bit more accurately, you can see that the midpoint is left of there, and you may find that easier. But they tried to trick you there, and we didn't fall for it. That's question 18 done.